Welcome to YouTube, and thanks for joining me as we explore something truly special, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This isn't just a car, it's a resurrection of an icon, a fusion of timeless design and modern engineering that delivers both nostalgia and innovation in one breathtaking package. For decades, the Karmann Ghia stood as a symbol of elegance and simplicity. A German car with Italian flair, designed by Ghia and built by Karmann, that never tried to be the fastest, but always managed to be one of the most stylish. And now for 2026, Volkswagen has done the unthinkable. They've brought it back. But this isn't just a retro tribute. It's a bold reimagining. A car that remembers its roots while looking fearlessly toward the future. On the outside, the new Karmann Ghia holds on to that iconic silhouette. You'll still find the sweeping curves, the low stance, and that unmistakable coupe roofline, but every detail has been modernized. LED lighting is seamlessly integrated into the design, with a slim light bar stretching across the front grille and another wrapping around the rear. The classic chrome bumpers have been reinterpreted in brushed aluminum, giving the car a refined edge. It's a design that pays homage to the past without being trapped in it. Underneath that sculpted body lies a state-of-the-art electric powertrain. That's right. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is fully electric. A dual motor setup delivers instant torque and a 0-60 time under 5 seconds. Yet it's whisper quiet, smooth, and supremely composed. With a range of nearly 400 miles on a full charge, this isn't just a weekend cruiser. It's a car you can actually live with. Charging is quick and painless, thanks to VW's fast charging architecture and integrated navigation that plans your route around charging stations. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that is minimalist, but never bare. Leather and sustainable materials blend seamlessly. A thin, floating digital display gives you access to everything: navigation, music, climate, with haptic controls inspired by classic toggle switches. There's a nod to the past in every stitch of the seats, every curve of the dashboard. But make no mistake, this is a cabin built for 2026. Wireless Apple CarPlay, voice assistant integration, and even ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. It's all here. And while the car looks and feels like a piece of rolling sculpture, it's got substance too. Adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and regenerative braking make it a joy to drive. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or just heading to your favorite cafe, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a car. It's a statement, a celebration of heritage and a vision of what's next. It reminds us that cars can still have soul in the electric age, that we don't have to sacrifice beauty for technology, and maybe most importantly, it gives us a reason to smile every time we see one on the road. If you've ever loved cars, not just machines, but the stories they tell, this one's for